I'm Hugh James. I'm the Business and Operations Director for Star Legal. Star Legal started in October 2011. There were three of us sitting in what I can only describe as a broom cupboard. Since then we've grown the business quite considerably to where it is now, which is some 17 offices and 130 staff. We're slightly unique in the way that we operate. To all intents and purposes, we are a standard multi-service law firm, but we do things in a slightly different way, in the sense that we relieve lawyers of the burdensome compliance and regulation that takes the time away from fee earning. That's dealt with at head office level, which relieves them from those pressures and enables them to get on with fee earning, which is why they joined the profession in the first place. We chose LAWFUSION for a number of reasons. We looked long and hard at the legal software market, and we met with 7 or 8 different legal software providers and had demonstrations of their system. But after a visit to Hull to meet with the business owners, Steve Dixon and Mike Craven, we decided to go with LAWFUSION because LAWFUSION provided the platform we needed to bind all our offices together. It's a hugely important decision for any law firm what software they decide to use, and bluntly we just decided that, having visited the offices, we felt there were people that we could work with and the system would be right for us in terms of what our growth plans were. In the centralised model that we have, the accounts team and the accounts system are vitally important to the running of the business. The accounts team are based here in Clifton, and they service the accounts needs for all of the 17 offices. LAWFUSION is the glue that binds all the offices together. The system is very configurable, it's very easy to use, it's very easy to manage, and lastly, and purely commercially, it's a very cost-effective system to run and maintain. The annual maintenance renewals are very reasonable, particularly for the weight of the system that it delivers. Having worked in the legal software industry previous to working at Star Legal, I've had exposure to a number of different systems, but LAWFUSION certainly is very reliable. It links very well with all the Microsoft Office products. We particularly like the integration with Microsoft Outlook, the ability to attach an email and any attachments that email may have directly to a case quickly and efficiently from within Outlook is a real boon to us. We also like the integration with other Office programs such as Word and Excel. Private client lawyers in particular like the integration with Excel in producing estate accounts, and of course Word is very prevalent throughout the workflows in terms of generating documents. The LAWFUSION team are great. Whenever I call them up, they're very happy and eager to help.
Good morning, Select Legal, Mark speaking. How can I help?
The ticketing system is a very easy to use system in terms of gaining support, and by and large, whenever we've called for support, our problems have been rectified very quickly.
Yeah, sure. Give me a couple of minutes, we'll connect to your screen and we'll get that sorted for you.
The Select Legal development team have produced some fantastic integration for us. The first one to talk about would be the integration with a national search provider. It gives us the ability to order searches from within the case management system, even upload any plans, and submit a posting slip direct to accounts without clicking off the case screen, which is a very powerful tool, and it's those marginal gains which we believe really set us apart from the competition. The 3 main benefits of LAWFUSION to Star Legal would undoubtedly be the ease of configuration. We configured all our workflows from scratch. You guided us through it. The ease of integration with the Microsoft Office product is again another biggie for us. And bluntly, from a commercial perspective, the system really does deliver a bang for the buck. The future for Star Legal, we hope, is very bright. We continue to grow, but we want to grow in a measured and careful way. But certainly we believe that consolidation of key administrative tasks and functions centrally is the model for the future, enabling our offices to grow themselves, but actually spend more time fee earning than ticking boxes and submitting forms. LAWFUSION helps us to achieve all of that, whilst also not compromising on client care. I think it's simple really. If you're looking for a system that seamlessly links accounts with case management for a reasonable price, then I'd look no further than LawFusion.